A return to Africa. Serge Ibaka is known as one of the best defensive players in the NBA, earning the nicknames Ibaka and the Serge Protector. But his is a story that began in the Congo. He played basketball there, using a miniature football to shoot hoops. His father was a 6'7" forward for the Congo national team, while his mother also played for the Democratic Republic of Congo. But at just 7 years of age, his mother died. A few years later, his father was imprisoned during the Second Congo War. Serge used basketball as a way out of the country, first moving to Spain, but it still wasn't easy, and he often slept on the street.
You know, it was hard to leave home, but on the other part, for me, it was a great opportunity, you know, because all my life I was dreaming one day to go outside to play basketball and on other level, you know. So when the opportunity come, you know, it was great. But also, you know, when you get there, first time by yourself, out in the country, you have no family, it was kind of hard in the beginning. But you know, and after a couple of months, couple of years, you know, it's getting better. And now, you know, now everything is perfect now.
Perfect is right. 6 years after leaving the Congo, he's now the defensive key for the Oklahoma City Thunder and has just signed a $49 million contract extension. But he still returns to the Congo each year to run a basketball camp.
It's where I'm born, it's where I grow up, you know, so like everybody say, you can never forget where you come from, you know. And that's why every time every time I have time, I try to go back Congo, see my family, see friends, you know, try to be of community, you know, help the community, help the young player in the future. I do a lot of things, my camp, and also of UNICEF, you know, just try to help, just try to be involved, you know, with the community.
Serge perhaps knows better than most the importance of hope in Africa. He's here to inspire the next generation and to show that as difficult as the path is from Africa to the NBA, it is possible.
I was like them, you know, I started to play like them, same, you know. Every time when I talk of those kids, I feel like I'm talking about myself. So, you know, I'm sure they learn a lot of things. And like I say, let's give them a lot of motivation and give them mentality to keep believe and keep work hard.
While many of his fellow teammates are relaxing, Serge is on the court, working on his technique. He wants to improve and take his game to another level. That discipline has carried him a long way, but he says his journey is far from finished. Dan Williams, CCTV, Johannesburg.